For those of you watching this video, it's 1 or 2 days after Black Friday of 2015, and during that time I decided to get some barbell and weight sets from Academy Sports and Outdoors, and this is advertised as the CAP 300-pound weight set, which includes the 7-foot Olympic lifting bar, and that's the 45-pound bar, and it comes with 300 pounds in different sets of plates, mostly just pairs, and one kind of mix set at the very end right here. So there are 4 total boxes plus the bar, and I got the whole set for $169.99, but you have to include the tax, so it comes to $184 with the tax. So the sale was off of the original price outside of Black Friday, in which it is $209.99. Thus, it's about $40 saved. This is just an initial review. I'm gonna probably look at it again after using it for a while and then do another review. So starting with the first box, which is labeled box 1 of 5, this is the one that has the 45-pound gray plates in it, and the box is kind of damaged already, so I'll just show you a peek of what it's going to look like inside. And the set is on display at the store all together. All the weights are on the bar in the store, so when you see it on the display, it'll have everything stacked, and you see how it looks like when you load the bar with all the weight. But when you purchase, they'll have the set in the back somewhere, stored in boxes, individually packaged. This first box is the 45, 2 of them, and this is labeled box 1 of 1. My suggestion is, if you're going to buy this at the store, just make sure you go over with the employee that's helping you which is in each box. You want to, if you can, get a look at what's inside, because you don't want to have them mixed up, because they are individual boxes. You don't want to be mixed up, so really make sure that they go over with you what's in each box, and it'll be labeled on the outside. I'll show you on the next one. This is the 35 pounds gray plates. This is box 2 of 5. Next one, 25 pounds gray plate, box 3 of 5, and these numbers should help the employees and yourself identify what goes all together. And there's 2 pairs of 35s, 2 of the 35s, 2 of the 25s. And in here, this is the mixed box. It is box 4 of 5, and it has 10 pounds gray plates, 2 of them, 5-pound gray plates, 4 of them, 2.5-pound gray plates, 2 of them, and the collars, 2 of them. And the last one, which I assume is box 5 out of 5, is the barbell itself. It's entirely black, and it has knurling on the bar. It's right now covered in plastic, so you can't really get a good look at it, but I'll show you when it's open. And yeah, it's just standard bar, 45 pounds, 7 foot. Now I'm gonna start snipping with to open the boxes. I'm gonna do the 45s first, and I'll show you what it looks like when I open it. This is the inside of the 45-pound plate box. It has 2 plates stacked. They're in plastic right now. I'm gonna take one out. And you can see the other one is there. It has a cardboard piece in between them. And that's first plate. Now I have unboxed the entire weight set from Cap Barbell, and this is what it looks like. The 2 clips next to the bar, That's 2.5 plates above the clips, and then 4 5-pound plates, 2 25-pound plates, 2 35-pound plates, and 2 45-pound plates, and the bar at the end. So it looks really good. Everything's good condition, not damaged. It looks like it'll hold up well. The bar has some scratches on it though, but that's probably maybe from the handling, because it's not completely covered in the packaging, so maybe some of the handling in the back at the store or on the bringing it home. One small complaint I have about this set is how they decided to just provide 4 5-pound plates. Now, at any time, if you need a 5-pound plate on the end of the bar, you can just put one on. But if you have if you have a need for 2 5-pound plates at the end of the bar, it would make more sense just to use a 10-pound plate. 2 5s make a 10. So there wouldn't ever be a time just to need 2 5s, because you would always have a 10. What would make more sense is if there was just 2 5s here and 4 10s, because there is no 20-pound weight. It goes straight to 25 from 10. So if I needed 20 pounds on one side, I would just use 2 10s. So I would rather just have 4 10s and 2 5s. But that's not really a big deal. You can always just stack weights in different ways, and it'll still equal the amount that you want. Here's what the Cap Barbell 300-pound weight set looks like when all the plates are loaded on the bar. As you can see, it's pretty compact. There's still plenty of room on the end of the bar to add more weight, and it went pretty smoothly as far as loading the plates on. There are a few scratches on the bar from the plates. They're brand new, and so some of them have little frays on the inner circle where the hole is. So I would check next time. I would check and make sure that there's no frays, and if there are, just try to trim them off somehow so it doesn't scratch up the end of the barbell just loading the plates on. It's pretty wide as far as from the end of the one plate to the end of the next. This is just really, it doesn't really matter unless maybe you do deadlifts in which you stand wide, the sumo deadlifts. So you can see where my feet are going. I'm standing, this is how I normally stand for sumo deadlifts, and I think my stance is decently wide. It's not too crazy, but the length of the bar is good enough where I won't brush against the plate with my toes. And the knurling, center knurling, side knurling, and then the ring in between to just kind of be used as a measuring point or a benchmark. So same on this side, knurling, and then the ring in between. It's pretty smooth. The bar does shake a little bit because this part right here is kind of loose. Where the weight is stacked on, that part's kind of loose. But overall, I mean, initial impression, it's for the deal I got on it, $169.99 on Black Friday sale. It's worth if you're serious about lifting weights and you want to have a set for yourself at home. 300 pounds is a good place to start, and then once you need more, buy some more plates. Maybe you can find a sale and add it on, and it's pretty good.